Hi, it's Tim McTaggart, Chief Entrepreneur in Residence at QUT Bluebox here again to talk to you about the third session of the Startup Spark series. Now, if you've been with us on this journey so far, we started out looking at value propositions. We then had a look at IP and how to commercialise that IP and IP commercialisation pathways. As I kind of flagged in the first introduction video for this series, another really important part of the entrepreneurial journey is being able to pitch your idea. No one can bring an idea to market on their own, which means you're going to need support from other people. And to get that support, you need to be able to convey to people the value in what you're doing. And that's where a pitch comes in. So in the third session as part of the Startup Spark series, what we're going to do is we're going to work through pitching. Now we're going to provide some resources to you, in particular a video that kind of will talk to you about how to construct an effective pitch for what you're doing. Now it's really important to realise with pitching is that the pitching is always structured for a particular purpose. In this case, all we're going to ask you to do is be able to convey your value proposition clearly so that someone who doesn't know what you're doing can understand why it's valuable, why it's a problem worth solving, and why you're the people to solve it. So it's a pretty straightforward exercise in this particular case, and there'll be a video, as I say, that will kind of walk through that and help coach you through the process. So if you're working through this at home, same thing, watch the video and try and construct this pitch. If you come to the session on the day, hopefully we're going to video record some brave soul giving us their pitch, and we'll coach them through that process. So if you're working from home or if you come into the session, you'll get that chance to see how a pitch can evolve from a fairly simple thing into something much more sophisticated and persuasive. We'll video that, so if you're working from home, again, hopefully you'll get to see that and you'll see how it's constructed. If you do work from home, you're more than welcome to video a pitch. Just use your iPhone, nothing complicated. Send it in to me at startup@qutbluebox.com.au and we can give you feedback on that. More than happy to do that. So this is kind of the final session in the Startup Spark series, where hopefully you'll be able to drive home the value proposition of what you're doing and the real value of your research and how you're going to take it to market through a small, short pitching session. So if you're coming along, again, watch the video before you turn up, prep, get your head around pitching, get ready to pitch. One of you brave souls hopefully is going to get up on stage and pitch with us, and we're going to coach you through it. But looking forward to that. And again, if you're working from home, check out the resources and reach out if you need to and if you've got any questions. So look forward to seeing you at the third session of the Startup Spark series.